everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kinda new here. So my husband and I just went out of town for a vacation. If you saw some of my updates from Huatulco, Mexico, by the way, I'm wearing my shirt. Then you know. If you didn't see them, well, it's okay. It happens. So anyway, as you can see, my skin's a little darker and yeah, it was beautiful. But the best part is when we came home, we got to check the mail. And you know what I found in the mail? My Boxycharm and my Ipsy bag arrived. What? I love these kinds of things. Okay, so because I already opened my Ipsy bag, I thought we'd unbox it together. Oh, well, I opened the packaging. But I thought we'd unbox it together. So I'm going to scoot you guys in and we'll open it up and see what it is. Alright. Okay guys, so pretty bag, reminds me of lingerie. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So what this is, it's a lip scrub. Ooh. I have a boatload of chapstick on my lips, so that works out. And then we got a Bye Bye Under Eye in the color medium tan. That's what I got. Because currently, that is so appropriate. Maybe in the summer that's going to be a better color for me. But currently, I am thrilled. Gonna toss the packaging. I have a trash can back here. I got a blush from Bang Beauty. In the color, it says Cheeky, but guys, I have to be smarter. I need a little help because I got fake nails. I got acrylics also, fake nails, and ironically it's the same color as most everything I like. It was not intentional, but I'm glad I did it. So Bang Beauty tweezers again. And it's in a very pretty color. It does have a mirror. And the color appears to be called Cheeky. We'll see how this works out. Because I plan on doing a full face with my subscription stuff. I have a mascara from Pure. I actually already have one of these. And I have a boatload of mascara. And I have like 3 open. So we're going to bypass that for till later. And I have an Ofra lipstick. Yay, Ofra lipstick! It's in the color Ipsy Unzipped. But I'll be honest, I love Ofra. I'm going to set this aside. I love their formula, so I'm really glad. Yay! And let's see what else we got in my Boxycharm. Yes, I did the sing-songy voice. Okay, so this month, I haven't looked at anything. This month's theme, Galaxy Glow. And first thing I saw on top, we got brushes. And that looks like it belongs as part of this, because you got the little handheld deals. But it looks like we got brushes. Yay! They kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes, but hey, I'm not going to complain. And we got a Cover FX shimmering veil, or shimmer veil. Ta-da, pretty color. Alright, and this color is Amethyst. They say it is suitable for your eyes, so I think I'll use it as a shadow today, because why not? Got an eyeliner from Vintage by Jessica Liebeskin. It is in the color black, which is good. If it's waterproof, it'll work out well. For water line, if it's not waterproof, well, it doesn't work out that way. I got a blush, also from Ofra. Yes! This is in the color Winter Rose Glow. And with this, I found I have the version of the box that I wanted most. There was one version where you got highlight, and guys, I don't use a lot of highlight, but I have so many highlights. I got the palette, like it's kind of like a Z palette, but it's spelled differently. That's pretty much it. It's the only difference. So it opens up. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, so there we are. More packaging. So, I'm going to put some foundation on, and we will see how things go. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, everyone, foundation is on. Now, because I got him at thingy. Oh man, where's my tweezers? Can't open it. On my concealer. That's what the word I was looking for. You know, thingy. That's my word that says I can't remember what I'm talking about. This is in the color medium tan. Currently, I am medium and tan. Let's hope it works. I did use my mix for my foundation and primer. I used my mix that I did before vacation because why not? So, let's try this. And I happen to have this color, this foundation in light, and use it often. Ooh, that's a fair amount. Okay, so what I like to do is take a concealer brush, this is a fluffy concealer brush, and mix it in, or blend it in. I have a little more control this way. Actually, for right now, this is a great color, I think. Well, here, let's scoot you in. So, what do you think? Now, I'm going to go in with a Real Technique sponge. I like to use a pointy side for blending out my under eye. One thing I like about the It Cosmetics concealers is you don't have to worry so much about color correction because we are already full coverage. So I'm gonna set my under eye. I'll be right back. So guys, one thing I like to do is I like to use this banana colored powder to set my under eye. And let's see what these brushes can do. Let me grab my scissors and, okay. So, to set my under eye, I think I'm going to use this brush with the banana powder. Sorry if I'm a little oddly framed. I'm out of practice. And this powder is a little on the powdery side. I mean, it is powder. So, you know, it makes sense. Okay, so we got that. Put you over here. And the next thing I want to do is we have the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. And I forgot to put on eyeshadow primer. Just one moment. One thing you can do is actually you can use concealer for eyeshadow primer. But I have a lot of eyeshadow primer, so I need to use it up. So now that my eyes are primed, because I probably could have done that sooner. And guys, I'm peeling, so if you notice anything, I apologize. But I'm going to use the CoverFX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst, just to come on, a little more, because I didn't put anything in my crease. I didn't do anything. I was just like, meh, makeup, let's play. And isn't that really how it should be? Shimmery. Probably should have used a blush in my crease, but it's rainy and we're about to get freezing rain in my area. So we're just having fun with it, right? Also, because it's rainy, I'm sorry guys if may have a little thunder. Probably should have done my eyes first. I always say that, but I never do. Oh well. So let's see what else we got. We've got a couple blushes. Gotta be smarter than this blush, apparently. Where'd I put my tweezers? There they are. They're hiding. Close in color. I am not upset about this. Let's open this Ofra brush. And I think I am gonna blend one of these into my crease. I think I'm gonna blend that into my crease. And that is an Ofra blush. Sorry, I'm looking for a good brush for this. And in the color, Winter Rose Glow. So, and guys, I'm not wearing glasses, so if it looks bad, There is no rhyme nor reason to me playing with makeup today. I probably should have done this first. But it is what it is, just playing. Right? So what did you guys do for Valentine's Day? My husband and I obviously went on vacation. And life is good. We'll leave it at that. Put this in my little magnetic palette deal. But so we went out of town, and because it's a crown brush and it matches the others, we're gonna go in with the Bang blush in the color Cheeky. We did get to pretty much, I started a book and I finished it the next day. It was wonderful then, but we were able to, I was able to read a book, and we went to dinner at one of the places in the resort, and I got to have a steak because, you know, I'm from Iowa. I am a carnivore. So, let's see. We've done blush, eyeshadow, lips. We're going to use this Ipsy, and Ipsy Unzipped. Or this Ofra. Okay guys, and now all that's left is setting the whole face, right? So I have a little eyes, and I don't do eyeliner much, so I'm probably not going to use that Jessica Liebeskin eyeliner anytime soon because I have a boatload of it. And just so you know, the powder I'm using is the Wet n Wild powder. Okay, so guys, this is my finished look using all Ipsy and Boxycharm products. Thingies. Except for a foundation. And ironically, I'm pleased with everything. The only things I didn't use is I used my mixtures of primer and foundation. I did use the banana powder here. I set all my powders with my Wet n Wild and my two mascaras that I already had open. I have Clump Crusher from Covergirl because Emily Noel 83 says it's wonderful, and since it's in waterproof, I thought, hey, I'll take it on vacation. And then I have the Total Temptation from Maybelline mascara because it's also waterproof, and all of my others are not. So guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to tell me, how did your better half celebrate? How did you celebrate Valentine's? Did you do something for yourself, or did somebody else do something for you? And yeah, so we'll see you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.